Hey guys, so this will be my last video. I'm just kind of making this video to sort of wrap things up and say goodbye and kind of send you guys off, okay? So a couple things. So I did just finish grading everything. I updated grades, checked all assignments on Google Classroom. Pretty sure I got everything, okay? So double check your grades and let me know if there's any mistakes, all right? Send me an email. Otherwise, everything should be pretty good. So seniors grades were due Friday, so those are pretty much done and over with. But same thing, if there is a mistake, I'll do what I can to make those changes if I have to. But those should be pretty good. For freshmen, sophomores, and juniors, your grades are not due yet. You've got till, I forget if it's Wednesday or Thursday, I have to double check on that. But grades aren't due yet. So even though I'm done grading for now, please do check your grades, make sure that everything is correct, all right? And email me if I did make any mistakes by chance. But everything on my end looks pretty good. All right. So other than that, I do still have some projects in the front office waiting to be picked up. If you have contacted me about bringing projects up, I have brought some up for you guys. So those are in the office up front, the one with the principal's office in it. So you'll have to go in there and pick up your project, okay? So you can only do that now. Wednesday is the last chance, okay? So Wednesday morning between 9 and noon is when you can go in there and pick up your project. If for some reason you are unable to, just don't panic. I'll hang on to the projects until next year, okay? So you can come and get those next year if you have to, okay? Other than that, I just kind of want to congratulate everybody, especially seniors. Congratulations for graduating. And then everybody else, that's coming back next year, hopefully I'll get to see a lot of you again, okay? So anyways, let me know if you guys have any questions, anything like that. And hopefully I'll see some of you on tomorrow, the graduation. I will be helping out for a couple hours, all right? So thanks, everybody. Good luck with everything, and hopefully I'll see a number of you again, all right? Bye-bye.